taking more water out for the chickens on this cold, cold winter day. They appear to know I'm coming. I've been instructed to lock them in the main coop. They just made that super easy for me. Hey, ladies. Yeah? Okay. Brought some water. Hang on just 1 second. Oh no. No. Okay, fine. I guess we won't do that. She was going to make it easy for me, and then she didn't. And somehow they're all following her lead. Dummies. Oh, and now they're back here. Cool. Let's get them before they figure out what's going on. Okay, these little shits are smarter than I'm giving them credit for. Fine. Well, make up your minds, you little turds. No, I'm definitely gonna get you. Gotcha. Back inside, back inside. Oh, there's plenty of water out here. And that one just pecked at my foot. Little turds. Don't think about it. Knock that off. That's my foot. Alright, there's my water. Oh dear. Well, now we got a problem. Because the little turds escapes. Look at him. Well, isn't that fun? I guess we're going to be outside for a few minutes. Smarty pantses. But I heard there's stuff y'all like in here. Yeah? Y'all want some of this? Oh, you want some of this? How about you, Spitfire? You want some of this? Yeah, all of a sudden they're real interested. Spitfire, what are you doing? Except that one. That one doesn't seem to notice. Alright, come here, ladies. Y'all want some of this? Hey. Yeah, you do. You do too. Yeah. What about you? Alright, let's go get Spitfire. Maybe I can convince her the way I just convinced you. Hey, sweetie. You want some crack? Yeah, you want some of this? Yeah? Okay, that's 4 or 5 again. Okay, this is getting irritating. Come on. Yeah, well, I got 4 or 5 of you, so... There we go. We'll put some of this stuff in. I'm going to balance this right here. Ladies. Hey. Go get it. Yeah, okay, there's Spitfire. There's that one. I can't tell the other ones apart. You want a little? Get in there. Alright, well, that's more than not. Yay, team. Now I just gotta go catch the other one. No idea which one this is. Hey, you. You want some? There you go. Yeah, there's some scratch. Yeah, she liked it. Go ahead, pick it up. We're just going to lead you right here to the door. Smarty pants. Actually, what I'm going to do is... I gotcha. She really doesn't like this, but that's okay. I didn't ask for acceptance. Asked for compliance. There, we got her. Turds. Okay. I had a little more of this stuff in my pocket. I'll just give it to them through the fence. Yeah, they seem to like that. There we go. All right, that's it. Okay. Last time I volunteered to do that.